So if you look here, see that little triangle on the motherboard right there? Right here in the corner?
Yeah.
That lines up with that little gold triangle right there. So what we do is flip this little bar out of the way. Open up this one. Without dropping anything. See how that's open.
Yep.
So let's see here. Triangle is there, and there. So we'll put this. Fits in. Alright, now we need this guy, yeah. And let's see, so it's gonna go into one. Okay, you wanna try? Maybe you have a better angle than I do.
Yeah.
But you see this little plastic on the other side. This
Yeah.
this thing has to line up with this. See that?
Okay,
It
I
guides
see.
it along. These are memory. And they go into these slots. Should move my bit. Great.
All right.
Let me take off this other side too. And so
And this.
I need that.
Okay. What is that?
Just a thing.
Where did it come from?
The internet. It comes with the motherboard. It's when all these things go.
It came with the motherboard.
Yeah, it's,
Okay.
see these go with these.
Okay.
This. Double check that those bolts are good right there.
Alrighty.
See this right here is the USB that's up on the top here.
Okay.
So this one, see these right here?
Oh, still a hard drive?
Yep, two hard
Oh,
drives.
it's a different hard drive.
Different hard drive.
Yeah, we go. Repeat that.
No.
Do you have a name?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's an AMD Radeon R9 390.
Really?
Yeah.
You can just make it up?
Nope. Get these out of the way. Grace, could you hold this kind of off to the side there a little bit? Perfect. This is always Carolyn. There we go. Perfect. You can see why we wanted to do basically everything else before that giant thing was in there. Alright, you ready? Here it comes.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then on the other, and that one, it's just, you don't need the two, just this. It's there. Put this in place. Yeah. Oop, I wanna get your hair there.
Oh.
All right, looks good. And yeah, all right, perfect. Now, oh,
Orange, green.
Oh, okay.
Reboot and then select proper.
hooray! That's good. That means it's working. Now we power it down. And we just put the rest of it back together.